Mango salad is often served as a treat after a full course meal, in the same manner that the French serve cheese and wine at the end of a meal. We like to treat ourselves and rinse our palate, rinse our mouth with the mango salad. It is very appreciated by the children in French Guiana. So it's a treat that you give in the afternoon if you have a mango tree. And it is sold around Carnival. Street food, the best street food that you can get around Carnival. Mango are from Peru. Usually when I buy my mango at Aldi or Lidl, they come from Brazil, and the one from Brazil are very, very, very good. I don't know if this one from Peru will be as good. And by good, I mean they are still tasty, even if they are green, even if they were picked from the mango tree too early. They have already taken all the taste that they need to be imported into another country. Not every mango have this quality, but usually the mango that come from Africa are tasteless. For whatever reason, whatever type of mango they choose to import from Africa, but if the mango come from Africa, it's best to eat it when it's totally ripe. If the mango is still green, you can be sure that this mango have no taste. But when they come from Brazil, I am usually not disappointed, even if they are still hard, which is the best way to do a mango salad. If the mango is green and hard, you can grate them. And when the mango is slightly yellow like this one is more yellow than this one. You cannot see, but this one is more yellow. This one I will slice them. Why? Because if you try to grate a mango that is a little bit too ripe, you will achieve more juice than beaten pieces for a salad. So as you can see, So thank you for watching my video. It was Yardies Food Channel, and I'll see you in the next video.